Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Kumar Sinha and I am postgraduate. I have completed my MTech in Electrical Engineering and I have teaching experience of 5 years. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss about the solution of a numerical of plus 2 physics and the topic is mechanics. So let's start with the solution of this numerical. Okay, let me read out the statement of the numerical first. The statement is a body of mass 2 kg has an initial velocity of 3 meter per second along OE. Okay, and it is subjected to a force of 4 newtons in the direction perpendicular to OE. The distance of the body from O after 4 seconds will be. So 4 options are there and we have to choose the correct options from these 4. Okay, so first of all let me explain the statement of the numerical that we have. So first of all, it is being given there mass, okay, is equal to 2 kg. Okay, so we can assume or we can name it as a variable, that is your m is equal to 2 kg. Okay, the normal variable name that we use m for the mass. Okay, it has an initial velocity 3 meter per second along OE. So we can take OE in any of the direction. Okay, so for the purpose of understanding and clarity, I have taken an XY axis and I have taken OE. Okay, I have taken OE in the direction of X axis. You can take in Y direction also, no issue in that. Okay, so it depends upon your misunderstanding, or it depends upon your comfortability that in which direction you want to take it. So I have taken in this direction. Okay, so in the direction of OE, okay, first of all we'll try to solve this numerical in a part wise. Okay, in the direction of OE, the initial velocity we have, okay, so initial velocity I can take u is equal to 3 meter per second. This is being given there. Okay, and then it is subjected to a force of 4 newtons in the direction perpendicular to OE. So OE direction is in X, so perpendicular direction is OY, obviously. Okay, so in this direction you have a force. Okay, in this direction you have a force. Okay, and that force is your having the value of 4 Newton. Okay, then we have to find out the distance of the body from O, means from origin, after 4 seconds. Okay, now see, in this numerical we have to solve in a part wise. Part wise means first of all we'll solve for the OE, then we'll solve for the OY or OF. Okay, and then we'll take the resultant. Let's see how we proceed for this numerical. Okay, now in the initial part I have taken OE as my solution part, so u is equal to 3 meter per second. Now see here, in this direction, in the direction of OE we don't have any force, so acceleration will be 0 because no force is there. And then we have to find out the distance. So from the basic equation of mechanics, S is equal to, okay, ut plus half of a t square. Okay, so here in this case a is 0. Okay, so this term is going to be 0, and u we know that 3 meter per second, and time is being given there 4 seconds, means we have to find out after 4 seconds. So t is obviously 4 seconds. So let's put these values and then try to find out this thing. So S is equal to u is equal to 3, okay, and time is equal to 4 seconds being given there. So this is equal to 12 meter. So for the purpose of clarity, we can take this thing as SOE. Okay, that is equal to 12 meter. Now second part. Okay, now in the second part, now we want to solve it. Okay, for the direction of OF. Okay, so for direction of OF, let's start with the solution. Okay, so in the direction of OF now. Okay, so now in this direction, in this OF direction, we have a force of 4 Newton. Okay, then what can be the acceleration? Acceleration is equal to force by mass. That is equal to, force is equal to 4 Newton and mass is being given there 2 kg. So acceleration is your 2 meter per second square. Okay, right? Now see here, again we'll apply the same equation. S is equal to ut plus half at square. Now in this case, try to understand in the direction of OF. Please do not get confused. Although I have taken the same alphabets here, but in the direction of OF, your initial velocity is 0. Why? Because we are not here being given any value of initial velocity in direction of OF. So we'll take u is equal to 0. So u is equal to 0 in OF direction. Okay, in OF direction. Okay, now putting these values, we can get S is equal to half of acceleration we have find out 2. Okay, and we have the time is equal to 4 seconds. Here, see here, mentioned here. So 4 square. Okay, so we these two get cancelled out. It comes out to be 16 meter. So for the clarity, we can take this thing, SOF is equal to 16 meter. Now let's draw here. So now see here, OE. So in this case, in the direction of OE, this is your 12 meter. In the direction of OF, we have 16 meter. Okay, so by following a simple rule, okay, I am trying to make a parallel in this case. Okay, and then I can join this point and I can join this point in this way. Okay, and here I can take, okay, here I can take the resultant, let's take the name as R. Okay, R. So now this length ER is equal to OF. So it is your 16 meter. And now see here, this is a right angle triangle. Okay, this is a right angle triangle. So in the right angle triangle, what is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is your base square plus perpendicular square. So 16 square plus 12 square. Okay, that is equal to 256 plus 144. That comes out to be your root over 400, and that is equal to 20 meter. And this is the required answer of this question. So the correct option to this question is your 20 meter, and this is the solution to this numerical. Okay, so thank you so much.